Welcome to this moment of calm. Take a deep breath in and let it out slowly. Allow the weight of the day to drift away as you settle into a comfortable position. Tonight, we'll journey into a serene forest, a place where time slows down and peace surrounds you. Close your eyes, relax, and let your imagination guide you. You find yourself in the heart of a quiet meadow, bathed in the gentle glow of morning sunlight. The grass beneath you is soft and cool, dotted with tiny wildflowers, swaying gently in the breeze. Somewhere nearby, you hear the faint bubbling of a brook winding through the land. Birds sing their morning melodies, their songs weaving together into a gentle symphony of nature. As you sit up, you feel a deep sense of calm. There is no rush here, no urgency. The world feels warm, inviting, and safe. In the distance, you notice a stone path, smooth and worn as if it has been walked by many feet over the years. It beckons you forward, and with quiet curiosity, you rise to follow it. As you walk toward the path, you take a moment to savor your surroundings. The meadow stretches out in all directions, dotted with patches of colorful flowers. A light breeze carries the scent of lavender and jasmine, wrapping around you like a soft embrace. The brook you've been hearing comes into view, a small ribbon of water that glistens in the sunlight. Its sound is rhythmic, almost like a heartbeat, grounding you in the present moment. Before stepping onto the path, you pause to take one last look at the meadow. It feels like a sacred space, untouched and eternal, a place you can always return to in your mind. The stone path leads you into a lush forest. Tall, ancient trees tower above you, their leaves creating a canopy that filters the sunlight into soft, golden beams. The air is cool and fresh, carrying the earthy scent of moss and pine. Each step you take feels light, as if the forest itself is supporting you, guiding you deeper into its embrace. As you walk, you notice the small details around you. A squirrel darts across the path, pausing briefly to look at you, before disappearing into the trees. Tiny mushrooms, glowing faintly with a bluish hue, cluster at the base of a fallen log. The gentle rustle of leaves and the occasional call of a bird blend with the sound of your footsteps. Further down the path, you come across a small stream crossing your way. The water flows gently, its surface sparkling as it catches the light. You take a moment to crouch down and dip your hand into the cool, clear water. The sensation is refreshing, like a small burst of energy flowing through you. You linger here for a while, watching the water ripple and listening to the soothing babble of the stream. As you continue walking, the forest seems to open up slightly. The trees are spaced farther apart, allowing more sunlight to filter through. In the distance, you hear the sound of a waterfall, its steady rhythm blending seamlessly with the other sounds of the forest. The path begins to curve toward the sound, inviting you to discover what lies ahead. You come across a small clearing where sunlight pours in like liquid gold. In the center, a tree with shimmering golden leaves catches your attention. The leaves hum softly as they sway in the breeze, a sound that feels almost like a lullaby. You step closer and reach out to touch one of the leaves. It's warm to the touch, radiating a gentle energy that fills you with peace. Nearby, a doe and her fawn step into the clearing, their movements graceful and quiet. They pause, looking at you with soft, curious eyes, before continuing their journey into the woods. You feel honored to have witnessed such a quiet, natural moment. Before leaving the clearing, you sit beneath the golden tree for a while. The soft hum of the leaves above you creates a cocoon of sound that feels both comforting and otherworldly. You close your eyes for a moment, letting the warmth of the sun and the gentle sounds of nature envelop you. When you open your eyes, you feel deeply refreshed, ready to continue your journey. The sound of the waterfall grows louder as you follow the path. Soon, you arrive at its source, a cascading stream that flows over smooth rocks into a crystal clear pool below. The water sparkles in the sunlight, creating a rainbow of colors as it sprays into the air. You step closer to the edge of the pool, feeling the cool mist on your skin. The waterfall's steady rhythm is both powerful and soothing, a natural symphony that seems to echo through the entire forest. You find a flat rock near the water's edge and sit down, letting the sound wash over you. As you sit, you notice small fish swimming in the pool, their movements graceful and unhurried. A dragonfly flits past, its wings catching the light like tiny prisms. Everything about this place feels alive and harmonious, as if the forest is sharing its secrets with you. After a while, you rise and continue on the path, carrying the memory of the waterfall's beauty with you. The path leads you further until you come to a secluded grove. The space feels sacred, untouched by the outside world. In the center of the grove is a crystal clear pond, its surface so still it reflects the trees, and sky above like a perfect mirror. You kneel by the edge of the pond, dipping your fingers into the cool, refreshing water. The sensation grounds you, anchoring you in this peaceful moment. As you sit by the water, you notice a silver fox emerging from the trees. Its fur shimmers faintly, catching the light in a way that feels almost magical. The fox moves toward you, its presence calm and unthreatening. It sits beside you, its quiet companionship adding to the serenity of the grove. For a moment, it feels as though you've known this creature forever. You lean back against a large, ancient tree, its bark warm from the sun. The grove feels alive with quiet energy, a sanctuary where you can rest without worry or care. As the day begins to transition into evening, the forest takes on a new kind of beauty. The light softens, and the colors of the sky shift to shades of amber, pink, and violet. Fireflies begin to appear, their tiny lights flickering like stars brought to earth. You take a slow walk around the grove, noticing how the light dances on the water and how the shadows of the trees stretch across the ground. The silver fox follows you at a distance, a quiet guardian of this peaceful place. As you return to the tree by the pond, you sit down and close your eyes. The sounds of the grove fill your senses, the rustling of leaves, the chirping of crickets, the gentle lapping of water against the shore. These sounds blend together into a soothing melody, one that feels timeless and eternal. You rest against the tree, feeling your body grow heavier and your mind quieter. The grove seems to cradle you in its tranquility, wrapping you in a cocoon of peace. The silver fox curls up beside you, its presence a comforting reminder that you are not alone. As the stars begin to appear in the sky, the world around you fades into a gentle stillness. You drift into sleep, your dreams filled with the beauty and serenity of the hidden grove. The hidden grove will always be here, waiting for you whenever you need to return. Sleep well, and may your dreams be as tranquil as this forest. Good night.